Now starting with the breeding part. First is the breeding of common carp, part 1. In this we will see that common carp, since belong to Cypriniformes, is of order Cypriniformes. It is native to Central Asia and very widely distributed all over the world. It ranked third among the farm finfishes in the world. Introduced into India in 1939 from Germany. It is an ideal species for aquaculture. It will breed naturally in pond, tank, reservoir, etc. and spawn year-round, with two peaks, one during February-March and the other during southwest monsoon. Grows to over 1 kg in 1 year. Now care for brood stock. The brood fish reared in manual pond, initially fed with conventional feed. As the maturity advances, they are fed with special type of feed consisting of rice bran, oil cake, fish meal, cereals, grams, minerals, vitamin mixture. Matures 4 to 6 months in tropical country and can spawn in the pond in the presence of weed, twigs, etc. Hence sex-wise segregation and rearing in separate pond is necessary to avoid accidental spawning. Fecundity is 0.5 to 1 lakh eggs per kg of female. Female grows slightly faster than male. Selection of brood fish and breeding techniques means how we will select the brood fish. Artificial breeding is undertaken to enhance the fry survival. Common carp is asynchronous multiple spawner, releasing eggs in batches. Mature brood stock is identified based on their morphological character. Means how we will identify among the male and the female. The male has round abdomen and whitish genital opening, oozes milk when pressure is applied on the abdomen, while the female is stouter with soft and swollen abdomen. A few ova may ooze out when pressed in is applied on the abdomen. Aquatic plant like Hydrilla, Vallisneria or Echinoria is released as a substratum in the cistern for attachment of eggs. The plant are disinfected with a solution of KMNO4 and used at a ratio of 1:2. This was the breeding techniques, and the breeding criterion is how we will distinguish between male and the female. Now the second part goes with. Now part 2 is coming with continuing with part 1, that is in Southeast Asian country. In Southeast Asian country, kaka bans, that is plant fiber, normally coconut of palms or palms nailed between two pieces of bamboo, are as substratum for the attachment of eggs. The weight of the female brooder is taken before and after the spawning in order to estimate quantity of egg released. The weight of female brooder is taken before and after spawning in order to estimate quantity of egg released, allowing 5 to 10% towards loss of weight due to excreta. The total quantity of eggs released can be calculated using the formula, that is loss in weight into 700, where 700 is the number of eggs per gram of ovary weight. After spawning, the brooders are removed from the tank, disinfected and transferred to the prepared pond. Common carp spawns throughout the year in tropical climate with two peak breeding period, that is January-March and during July and August. Although common carp breeds naturally to intensity the seed production, several techniques are adopted in many countries for their captive breeding. Captive breeding is of stripped spawning and spontaneous spawning types. Now, how is captive breeding done? First is stripped spawning and the second one is spontaneous spawning. In stripped spawning, artificial propagation is done. That is, female broods are induced by carp pituitary extract. The genital apparatus may be sutured and kept along with the male brood. The male brood is also injected with pituitary hormone. When female become ripe for stripping, both male and female are stripped into a basin. The milk obtained from male fertilizes the egg. Since common carp eggs are sticky in nature, the fertilized egg get chance to clump together. It is essential to remove the stickiness of the egg at once to make the egg free floating for incubation. Several degumming methods are available for the purpose. The mixture of urea sodium chloride initially used in 1960 for removing of mucoid envelope of common carp egg. Now methods of degumming.